Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Garry Kasparov and David Letterman. This telephone match was played in 1989. Garry Kasparov had white pieces and he started with e4. David Letterman played d5, the Scandinavian defense. Pawn takes pawn on d5. Queen takes on d5. Knight to c3 attacking the queen. Queen to e6 check. And Dave said, 3 moves and I already got him in check. Bishop to e2, knight to c6, d4 threatening d5, queen to g6 attacking the pawn on g2. And at this stage Kasparov said, you move your queen too much. I know it's your favorite piece. Kasparov did not defend the pawn on g2. He played knight to f3. And Letterman happily captured the pawn attacking the rook. And they said, I'm up 2-1. Rook to g1 attacking the queen, queen to h3, d5 attacking the knight, knight to a5, white to move. How would you continue in this position if you had white pieces? Kasparov played knight to b5, threatening knight to c7 check, winning the rook, and black is already in trouble. Queen to d7 was played, defending the pawn, but now bishop to f4. Knight to f6, knight takes on c7 check. King to d8, white to move. The first move that comes to mind is knight takes rook. Instead, Kasparov played knight to e5. Queen takes on c7, and Kasparov said, I could take your rook, but I prefer your queen. And Dave said, I'm gonna take one of your horses. It is 3-1 now, isn't it? Knight to f7 check, discovered attack on the queen. King to e8, bishop takes on c7. King takes knight, bishop takes on a5. Bishop to f5, queen to d4. Bishop takes on c2, rook to c1. Bishop to e4, rook to c7, pinning the pawn. On e7, rook to d8. And Kasparov said, I'm invading your camp now. And they said, I think I got one of your pawns in check. I think that's the pawn on d5. d6. b6, bishop to c3, bishop to d5, queen to e5, bishop to e6, white to move. What is the fastest way to win from this position? Please pause and find the best continuation for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find checkmate in 2? Kasparov played queen takes knight check. The pawn on e7 is pinned. So we have g takes on f6, white to move and 2 checkmate in 1. Bishop to h5. Checkmate. After this checkmate, Letterman was a bit sad, and to make him feel better, Kasparov said, Dave, don't give up your daily job for chess. Just kidding. Kasparov said, you are in good company, Dave. All of the grandmasters have been checkmated by me. What do you think of this game? Who was the most famous person you played against? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.